In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can eat this playlist on Spotify. You can simply play the new Spotify game while listening to your top songs throughout the year. Simply open up your Spotify. On this page, tap on Wrapped right here. Then select your top songs. You will have to tap on these three dots right here. Then scroll down onto the last option of Eat this playlist. To play this Spotify game, just slide in the direction of the currently playing music cover. That's how easy it is. Let me know your highest score in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.